Welcome back, folks. In this movie, I'm going to show you that how you can create multiple instances of the same smart object. So you can change just once and it's going to reflect and change all over instances in just one click. So we are going to create one single smart object and we are going to create multiple instances of the same smart object. So it will going to share source. So the single smart object is going to share a source to these all different devices mockup. So you can just change once that smart object and it will going to reflect and change all over its place. So let me show you how you can do that. So first of all, I'm going to place an UI mockup here. So we are going to edit it later. So how you can make it a smart object? Well, by going file and placing, or by drag and dropping, or by creating your own manual. Well, what I told you, if you are going to edit your smart object, go ahead and create it manually, because if you edit it, then it will going to reflect there. But if you go for placed, it will not going to reflect anymore. So create it manually. So I go to file, I go to browse in Bridge, and here you can see I'm going to use this one, and then we will replace with this awesome source website. So first of all, I go ahead, right click on this one and open with Adobe Photoshop, and now it is going to open with this one because we are going to create manually smart objects. So first of all, I press Ctrl 0 to make it full, and now I right click on this one and convert to smart object. Now it's converted, and now what I do, I just grab this one handle, hover over this one and bring it here. And now because this is smart object, it is not going to lose its quality anymore. So I put it down here, and now what I do, I'm going to copy it. So I can keep selected this layer and I hold Alt and Shift key, then it will going to bring it here. There we go. Okay, and now if you want, then you can just go ahead, right click and copy, or you can just drag it here. So the best way I really like to do is hold down your Alt key and drag it, it will automatically going to make a copy. So now what I do, I place it in desktop. For that, what I do, I just grab this one, this copy one, and I just bring it here because this is Mac. And now I just go ahead and just open this Mac. This is a mockup and this is actually a smart object. So I just double click one and I can change it here, but actually I really want to follow a very simple process so you can understand it very easily. So I just drag this one and I bring it here. You can see this is screen, so I just bring it here, and now you can see it's cropped. So now what I do, I press Ctrl T to make it transform, and let's make it fit in this size. So hold down your Shift key and Alt key and let's make it big. There we go. Let me show you. Yeah, this one, I think this much big is quite fine. Okay, and let's make it up. There we go. Here. And actually I'm not worrying about, actually I'm just showing you how to do that. Okay, so this is, I think this is the best way to show you. I press Ctrl T and let's make it a little bit big so it will going to fit it fully. Here we go. Now it's fitting properly. So now this is desktop on. Now what I do, I once again go here, okay, and I just bring it here. There we go. I make a copy, hold down your Alt key, and now I just hide it, and now I just once again bring this one and bring it in MacBook Pro. And now I just go ahead and bring it. You can see this is a put your screen here. I just bring it here, and you can see it's actually not fitting here because of it's not masked. So how you mask it? Well, if you are in Mac, then hold down your command key and click here, and if you are in PC, then hold down your Alt key and click here. You can see this is the arrow, you can see that this is pointing down. Now click here and we're going to create a mask, and you can see now it's fit here. That's really nice trick. Okay, so it is here, and now once again I go ahead and create another copy by holding my Alt key and bring it here, and this time I bring it in this iPad mini, and here we go. You can see your screen here. So now I bring it above this one, hold down my Alt key because I'm in window, you are Mac, hold down your command key and just send it here. And now you can see this is not in place, now it's placed. Okay, so first of all, you can, if you want, then you can just hide this phone and press Ctrl T, and let's bring it down. There we go, this much. Yes, this much is fine, I guess. Yes, this much fine. Now I bring it up. Okay, done. And now once again I do the same thing for this iPhone 1. So for that, what I do, I just go ahead this one and hold on my Alt key, bring it another copy, and now I just place it here, and I just, you can see this is your screen here. I just bring it here and hold down my Alt key and just click it and mask it, and now I just go ahead and press Ctrl T to transform it, and let's make it very tiny to fit this in mobile. So I just go ahead and make it small. There we go. This much small is really going to fit out there. See, yes, it's fitting properly. Great. So now I collapse this one. So now you can see this is a multiple instances of the same smart object. So whatever I changed here, it will going to automatically reflect here. Let me show you. So I double click this one, and now I am here, and I press Ctrl plus plus to zoom in. And here what I do anything like this is just for demo purpose, so I'm not going to worry about anything. So I just make an ellipse, and I just decided to be put here. I mean, this is just for demo, okay? So I just put it here, and I hit Ctrl S to save it, and now you can see it's saving, and now it's saved. And now if I go here, you can see it is reflected all over place, and this is very, very, very powerful. So now what you can do, well, you can protect your layers. Let me show you. You can just go ahead and lock this one, lock this one, lock this one, and lock this one. And here you can just write it that place your screen here, okay? And now this is the best thing is gonna happen here. Just select it, press Ctrl T to transform it, make it small. There you go, this much small, and you can do whatever you want. Now you can just go ahead, place it here. There we go, okay, and hit enter, and now all instances is now protected, so you don't need to go anywhere inside this one and you have to change it. No, not at all. You just go ahead, change it here, and it's going to reflect here. So let me show you. Now what I do, I just get rid of this one, and now once again I go to file, bridge, and I bring this one here. So open it, Photoshop, and now I just unlock it, bring it here in this one. And here what I do, I just go ahead and just place it here. There you go, and press Ctrl T to transform it, and I'm going to make it fit here. Now I go up, there we go, hit enter, Ctrl S, and now see the magic. We're going to saving, you can see it's saving, and now you can see it's reflected all over place, and this is really nice. So you can't change it from here because this is totally secure and protected. You have to just do once here, and it's going to reflect all over the place and change it all over place. And there's another way you can replace all its content very easily. So you can just go to this layers, right click this one, and you can see replace content. You can click this here, and now go to desktop because here's my project. I go to multiple instances, and you can see this is a tracking one. So I go ahead, select this one, and you can see it will going to reflect all over the place in just one click, and you can see it's reflected automatically. And this is really so much powerful, so much awesome. So you just know the best thing. So of course there's one question is rise in your mind that, so what if you want to copy of the same smart object, but once you change this one, it will not going to change another one? And how you can do that? Well, that's really, really easy. You can just go ahead, right click this one, and you can see new smart object via copy. You can just click here, and now there's a new smart object via copy. You can just make it here, and now you can see this is a different source. So whatever you change here, it will not going to reflect this one, and whatever change is this one, it will not going to reflect here because these are different source. But whatever change here, it will going to reflect all over this place because this is a shared source. This is the multiple instances of the same smart object, and this is really very, very powerful. So now you know that how you can create multiple instances of the same smart object and what is the big advantages of this one. So thank you so much, and see you in the next movie.